Welcome to Easy Elimu Learning Simplified. My name is Eric. I'll be taking you through this topic, volume and capacity. And for this lesson, we are going to cover something called volume of a cylinder. So we want to see what a cylinder is and how we can find the volume of a cylinder. So questions are there that will be able to help us find with demonstrations on how we can find the volume of a cylinder. And then we have some assignment at the end of the lesson just to help you practice and also just to help you gauge on your understanding of the concept as discussed during this lesson. So this is what you call a cylinder. It has a base area which is circular in shape, and then we have the height. Yes, so if you are to find the volume, you will use, so volume should be given by the base area. So we'll use the base area, and then we multiply by the height. So base area is circular, so pi r squared, and then you multiply by the height. You see. So this is the formula that we're going to use to help us find the volume of the cylinder. So measured in cubic units. So we have a first example here. Okay, so find the volume of a cylinder with radius 1.4 in height. So we simply apply the formula. So here we simply apply the formula that we have talked about up there. So volume is given by pi r squared h. So pi is 22/7 and radius is 1.4. So you square 1.4 and then you multiply by 13. So now, so 7 here, 1 7 there, 0.2. So we need to multiply 22 by 2 by 14 by 13. See, to help us find and then and the value, and then we have how many decimal places? 1 2. So 2 decimal places. So 22 by 2, that is 44. So I have 44. So let me do it here. So I have 44 by 14. So 4 by 4 is 16, 6 carry 1. 4 by 4 is 16 plus 1 is 17. 0, 1 by 4 is 4 and 1 by 4 is 4. So 6, 11, 1 carry 1, 5, 6. 616. So 616 again. So 616, you multiply by 13. So 3 by 6 is 18, 8 carry 1, 3 by 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4, and 3 by 6 again is 18. So 0, 1 by 6 is 6, 1 by 1 is 1, and 1 by 6 is 6. See, so this is 8, 0 carry 1, 9, 10, 0 carry 1, 7, 8. So this is the product of 22 by 0.2 by 14 by 13. So we have how many decimal places? 2. So that's where the decimal point. So it means the answer here will be 80.08. 80.08 square, actually cubic meters, because now volume is measured in cubic units. So cubic units. So because the lengths here are given in meters, so we'll talk of cubic meters. So we have again the second example here, the diameter of a cylindrical container closed at both ends is 0.28 and its height is 14. Find the volume. So again, I will just use the formula. So again, we have the formula V is equals to pi r squared h. So pi is 22/7. And r, what is the radius? So the radius, now what is given here is diameter. 0.28 is diameter. So I have 0.28 over 2 times 0.28. Because now if you divide the diameter by 2, you get the radius. And then you multiply by what? By 14. So 7 goes here once, and then 7 goes into 14 two times. So the same thing that we did up there, we'll just multiply 22. Oh, there is also 2 here. So 2 here, 1. So 2 goes there 11 times. 2 here, 1, 2 here. 0.14. So you see the number of decimal places will be 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 decimal places. See. So what you have now is 11 times 0.28 by 0.14 times 2. So we'll just multiply 11 by 28 by 14 by 2. Then we count the number of decimal places, which are 1, 2, 3, 4. So let me do it here. So I have now 11 by 28. So 8 by 1 is 8, 8 by 1 is 8, 0, 2 by 1 is 2, 2 by 1 is again 2. Fill up the spaces left using zeros, and then you add the two products. So 8, 0 carry 1, 3. So this one here is supposed to be multiplied by 14. So this is product again. So 4 by 8 is 32. So 2 carry 3. 4 by 0 is 0 plus 3 is 3. 4 by 3 is 12. Then 0, 1 by 8 is 8. 1 by 0 is 0. 1 by 3 is 3. So this is 2. Here is addition. So 2, 1 carry 1, 3, 4. So this number here is supposed to be multiplied by 2. So 4312, you multiply by 2. This is multiplication. So 4, 2, 6, 8. So the decimal places are 4. So it means this is going to be 0.8624. The correct answer. So 0.8624 cubic meters. So the units are cubic meters. That's how we are arriving at that value. So we just simplify, and then you multiply 11 by 28 by 14 by 2, and you are arriving at the answer becomes 8624. That is 8,624, as you can see here. So for us to have 4 decimal places, the decimal point has to be there. That's why we have 0.8624. So we have again a cylindrical container of diameter 14 and depth 20 is half full of juice. Calculate the volume of juice in the container. So now we just do the volume normally, that we multiply by a half. Remember to multiply by a half. So the volume that we are looking for, first of all, let me subdivide this space into 3. So the volume that we are looking for will be half pi r squared h. So this will be half times 22 over 7. So what's the radius? So radius will be 7. So 7 by 7 times 20. So again, we'll just try and simplify. So 2 here, 1, 2 into 22, 11, 7 here, 1, 7 there, 1. So what remains now is 11 by 7 by 20. See, so 11 by 7 is 77, and then you multiply by 20. So 77 multiplied by 20, we simply multiply 77 by 2, and then we'll add the 0. So let me do it here. 77 by 2. So 7 by 2 is 14, so 4 carry 1. 7 by 2 is again 14 plus 1 is 15, so 154. So this is 154 uh, cubic centimeters. Actually, you add 10 here, so 1540 cubic centimeters. So it's 77 by 2, 154, but you remember to add that 0, please don't forget. So the 0 must be added. So basically, that is how you go about it. So the volume of the cylinder is pi r squared h, but we are told that the juice in it is half full. So we multiply by half to get, because we are calculate the volume of juice in the container, half of the volume of that cylinder. So that is all. We have a few questions here to help you with practicing and just to help you check on your understanding of the concept. You can attempt. When done, you can always be posting the responses on the comment section, be able to look at them and give feedback in the due course. Otherwise, that is all for now. Until next time, goodbye.